So I'm now interested in replacing the old Eachine 200 milliwatt transmitter with the new, for me, 350 milliwatt nanos. This is a complete card, and next to it, here's the one where I've broken off the tabs I don't think I need. So the idea is going to be to replace that one with this, and I can use those holes to wire it to the frame. I'll drill some holes in the frame, and I can probably use a couple of the kind of yellow things that come with light controllers to give it a little bit of vibration insulation. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. And here's the result after taking out the Eachine transmitter and putting in the Zeus Nano. It fits quite nicely, and with the tabs taken off, it's even smaller, I think, than the original one I replaced. So far so good. Configured it all with beautiful light. It looks good. So this is the first test flight after setting it up. As before, before I arm it, it's on minimum power, which is 25 milliwatts. And then when I arm it, it jumps to what I've set for max, which is 350 milliwatts. And you see the complaint that the GPS hasn't positioned, so there's no rescue available. So happy with this. It all seems to work pretty much the way the first one did. So the next step is to see what else I can do with it. So turning it on and using a little monitor, and the other thing I'm going to do is bring it up, the app on the phone. So what I can do now is, if I go to the transmitter, if I can find it, and here's the VTX table. So what I can do from here, if you look at this, at the moment I'm on 25, and I changed it to, I changed the value to 100. I was running 300. So if I hit that again, so that's the current value, and I'll change it to not 300 but maybe 200, and then I'd hit the save. Okay, so that saved that. Now if I turn it off for a moment.
Welcome to HTX. Designed, fail-safe, off, angle mode.
Okay, so that's got that turned on.
0 volts. Telemetry connected.
Right, so I've turned on the goggles to record it, and I'm going to fly it. happy with that. Looking forward to flyable weather and getting out in the open air. So once again, bye for now.